In this video, I'm going to show you how to change to English dub on Crunchyroll application. So there are two ways to find English dub anime on Crunchyroll. So the first one is go to Browse. You can see that at the bottom menu. And then tap on the sort icon. And then click on dub. And then click on update filters. So in here, you will see a lot of animes that has been dubbed in English. So the second way is the example you want to find a specific anime that is dubbed in English. All you need to do is tap on the search icon at the top and search for the anime that you wanted to find. So for example, Robotech. So you can tap this one and then view the series details of this anime, and then you will see here the audio is English. So it means that it has been dubbed in English. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.